Can you see it? We can see that the water is not splitting out. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hi, I am Spriha from Off Day School. Today I will do another science experiment. So the required accessories for this experiment are an empty glass, some paper sheets, and water. Now I will fill up the glass with water. We will fill up the glass into the end bottom of it. And now we will take a paper sheet and we will place it on the glass. And now I will give my hand on the paper and let's flip it. Can you see it? We can see that the water is not splitting out. It's not magic, it's science. Why did the water did not split out? Generally, the water should spread, but it doesn't happen because the weight of air pressure is heavier than the weight of the water in this glass. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for new science experiments like this one. Comment down below for new experiments like this one. Thanks for watching. Bye.